Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Thank you for coming to this channel once again. If you like this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like and give your precious comments. We will always work towards Netherlands and we will make it as much best for you for the near future. Well, as Immigration Ultimate is working towards the new progressive goals or new towards progressive informations, this time we are actually working with Netherlands, and Netherlands is one of the biggest and brightest country has ever come up with lot of new situations and lot of new plans. My friends, if you want to come or if you want to come to Netherlands, please do give us a call into our given number that is available up in here, as well as browse our YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel,
Good
where you will
morning,
be
good
able to
afternoon, good
understand that
evening.
what
My
is
name is
actually
Sam,
happening
and
over
I am
in
one of
here.
the first and the best from.
So also follow our Twitter leak and definitely not to forget our Instagram post whenever you can or whenever you have the time for it. So let's just move around for the Netherlands, and today's topic will be that how can you actually get the documents required for Netherlands visa. Now Netherlands visa is one of the peculiar visa where they actually looking for highly skilled work or seasonable work, as well as for students, and the documents do vary from visa to visas. But in general, what documents you actually needed for Netherlands visa? So if I look upon the first part, you actually need to apply the application form and you need to apply it online. That is right. The applying for Netherlands Schengen visa, it is online and you cannot download the application form. You have to fill up online and then you need to download it after once you fill up the form. After this fill up of the form, take a photocopy of 2 or 3 color photographs, keep into 3 separate files. That means you make a kind of this part. If I go for MS Paint, and if I just for you to understand that once you take a file, always create 3 different folders. One folder is for yourself, another folder your basically for the visa, and another folder for your references. So whenever you are doing something, please make it for yourself, and it is another one. This one you can use it for your visa processes, and another one is basically uh, for your references, or any of as or as such processes. Always keep these 3 different type of folders with you all the time. So once you have this application visa, you uh, make this visa printout and keep it to 3 separate folders. Thereafter, you have to take the photograph. Now remember, the identical photographs are not should not be older than 6 months, is because of your skin and because of the atmosphere and the the body shape that gets changed every after 6 months. The cells get die and new cells replace them. So the photo should not be 6 months old. It has to be 35 into 45, and the color should be black and white. All right. Also, it is always feasible for Netherlands that it should be brightly colored background, rather a white background, and you have to be a neutral face expression, just as per the lady. No smiling, no giggling, and no like bore. Just a little bit of warmth in your face, but in a perfect pattern. Third point is that your passport and copies of your previous visas valid for at least 3 months beyond return date. That means if you visit to Qatar, Oman, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, or even if Thai, or even if China, Hong Kong, then it should uh, it uh, it should be given with a copy that you have gone to that country, and now you're back to your original country from wherever you are browsing this video from, from Nicaragua or from Nigeria, from India, from Afghanistan, doesn't matter. Okay, your passport must have at least 2 blank pages. That means after traveling so much of the countries, if you are planning for Netherlands, you must have 2 blank pages in your passport. If it is not there, then it is always advised to bring or issue a new passport. Fourth is that a copy of your return ticket. Now, whenever you apply for travel visa or tourist visa to visit Netherlands, you can do that. But remember, you need to have a return ticket back to your original country or from the origin country. It is not for it is not actually that they want to check your flight ticket. It is because it is the terms of the visa conditions given inside the Netherlands visa. So it is always recommended that you should not buy the flight ticket before getting the visa, because they are not looking at your return ticket in the visa. They're looking at the documents. The return ticket is only for once you in the border control. Okay. So the fifth point is the medical insurance for Schengen visa. That means if you have medical coverage that is 30,000 euro or 50,000 USD, then you can show it. Else, Immigration Ultimate can actually help you in this case. We have already done it for many of our clients, and we will be continuing to do so. So we'll definitely help you in this regarding sections. And a cover letter stating the purpose of a visit to the Netherlands and itinerary. It means why are you going to Netherlands? What are your purposes? Why are you going to this particular city and for what? If you're looking for job, show us, give us your job reference or job or employer letter. If you are going for study, give us your university or the college reference letter. If you're going for travel visa, give us your place of accommodation and a plan itinerary, so on and so forth. A simple cover letter, 1 page, and if you are not able to do it, Immigration Ultimate will definitely do it, but with some extra charges. Now, the flight itinerary is very important to maintain this plan for the Netherlands visa. If it is having, you have a Schengen area, or if you have a flight plan that from which airport to which airport you're going, so that must has to be given inside this visa application. And finally, the evidence for stay, that which place you are actually living or which place you're going to live to, and what is the copy of the passport that is given into your particular part. The proof of civil status, that whether you are married or not, the birth certificate of yours or children's, which is possible, wives, a spouse, definitely, and etc. as possible, and definitely proofing of the financial sufficiency for the Schengen visa. That means the money is in your bank account before traveling to the Schengen or to the Netherlands, because if something happened, the government is not responsible to pay your bills. It is for you who has to pay the bills for you if something happens. If you have a personal bank statement with financial movements, is fine. A credit card, cash, travel checks, pay slips, fine. Proof of employment is fine. But if you do not have any of such or lack, do not worry. Immigration Ultimate will definitely take care of it and will help you. So do come to Netherlands. It's a great country, the great countryside, and this amazing place in the summer and in the spring and autumn section. The job place is amazing, and it is a very sports eccentric. The Dutch football is the biggest and very great in the whole world, as well as the out scenery are awesome, that you can always feels refreshing with the air and the wind, and the job place and the work life place are quite balanced, that you do not ever feel get stressed. You will get more that whatever you're earning now with less amount of hours involved, and not to say that the food is as best as in the Netherlands. So if you love to Netherlands, do give us a call. If you like to come to Netherlands, do give us a call. And if you like this video, do not forget to press the like button and give us your precious comments. Till then, have a great day and have a nice life. See you then.